To take the brew unit out of the Mini Barista, you need to first remove the drip tray and the waste container. There's two little tabs here on the side. Just push those up and slide it towards you, and that will come out like that. Once you've got the trays out, you'll see here is the brew unit. Now what releases that is this black button at the back here. If you press that in, the brew unit here will drop down, and you just slide it down towards you like this. And now the brew unit is out. When cleaning the brew unit, to spin it, it runs off this gear at the top here. You don't need a tool for it. So wind it all the way down, and then you can get in all these little crevices with the ground coffee. Now take this brew unit out every second to third service to give it a clean. To put the brew unit back in, it just slides up here on the little ramp and then pushes up here and clicks back in with the black locking latch that you press to get it out.